Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. I am Trader Martins and today we are going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar. So we are currently on the monthly time frame. As you can see, the market is actually on a fair value gap. That's why it's consolidating here. So this is my expectation to retrace back to this bullish order block, but it might actually take time before it move back to this other block. But after then, I'm expecting the market to move up. So let's go to the weekly time frame. So as you can see, this is the fair value gap on the monthly time frame. As you can see, you can see the market moving back and forth here. So yeah, it's recently moved out from the fair value gap here. So the market, I'm expecting the market to move down to this other block, which includes the fair value gap here. So let's go to the daily time frame. Yeah, as you can see guys, this the daily time frame here is actually showing a clear bearish order flow, which is taking the lows are being taken. So you can see these two up close candle, which is actually a bearish order block. So I'm expecting it to move down. You can see the market has already weak through this bearish order block. So my expectation is move down to this weekly fair value gap. So but it's actually not going to move once, so it might take time before it goes to this fair value gap. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame guys. As you can see a breakout block, a bullish breakout block after the markets moved out of this fair value gap here. As you can see, the breakout block here is very sensitive, so I'm actually going to be looking how aggressive it approach this zone, because the the breakout block is a very strong reference point to look out for. So it's either it's going up or it's going down, but my expectation is for it to move down to this place. But for this breakout block here, I'm expecting it's going to definitely consolidate here. Either it move up or it move down. But for sure, I'm expecting it to still go down, but it might happen otherwise. So I'm expecting it to move down. That's my expectation, but otherwise it might go up probably. But since the order flow is bearish, so the market have high probability of going down to this fair value gap here on the weekly time frame. So guys, that's the analysis. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Have a nice day.